Is your AC not cooling properly? Is your AC leaking water, making unusual sounds, or simply not working? Don't worry. Repair Guru Services is here with complete AC repair and maintenance solutions. We provide complete AC overhauling, deep cleaning, general AC service, foam cleaning, AC repair, compressor repair or replacement, condenser repair or replacement, gas leakage repair, gas charging, AC installation, uninstallation, reinstallation, and much more. Whether your AC is not cooling, not working, leaking water, or facing any other problem, our professional service team is ready to help. We service all major types of air conditioners, including split AC, window AC, cassette AC, tower AC, panel AC, ductable AC, and more, serving customers across Kochi, Kakkanad, Aluva, Edappally, Ernakulam, and nearby cities across Kerala. For reliable HVAC and appliance repair solutions, choose Repair Guru Services, your trusted HVAC and appliance repair partner. Call or WhatsApp us today at 9557 953 496, 9756 170444 or 8923481063. Visit www.repairguru.in. Book your AC repair service today and enjoy uninterrupted cooling. Repair Guru Services, professional service, reliable solutions.